How to make biscuits and gravy at home. Here's a recipe for making biscuits and gravy at home. Ingredients for biscuits. 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 5. 3/4 cup milk. Ingredients for gravy. 1. 1/2 pound breakfast sausage. 2. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 2 cups whole milk. 4. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Cut in butter using a pastry blender or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. 3. Add milk and stir until a sticky dough forms. 4. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead gently until it comes together. 5. Roll the dough to 1/2 inch thickness and cut into biscuits using a biscuit cutter or the rim of a glass. 6. Place the biscuits on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. 7. While the biscuits are baking, cook the sausage in a large skillet over medium-high heat, breaking it up into small pieces with a spatula or wooden spoon, until browned and cooked through. 8. Remove the sausage from the skillet and set aside, leaving the drippings in the skillet. 9. Reduce the heat to medium and whisk in the flour, stirring constantly until it turns a golden brown color. 10. Slowly pour in the milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. 11. Add the cooked sausage back into the skillet and stir until the gravy thickens, about 5 minutes. 12. Season the gravy with salt and pepper to taste. 13. Split the biscuits in half and serve with the sausage gravy on top. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.